And on matters business, Kenya Airways financial turbulence is expected to deepen further, with revenue likely to drop by 70% this year. The national carrier has seen its half-year revenue slump 48% to 30.2 billion shillings on the back of COVID-19 pandemic.
Kenya Airways chairman Michael Joseph has said passenger numbers dropped by 55.5% to 1.1 million, in contrast with 2.4 million the same period last year, after the government closed the Kenyan airspace to curb the spread of the coronavirus. The carrier projects demand to remain at less than 50% of 2019 for the rest of the year. Joseph says the government is still keen on plans to rationalize the carrier, and talks are ongoing with the key shareholders, Air France KLM, who control 7.7% of KQ's shares. KQ chief Alan Kilavuka has told investors that net loss for the 6 months ended June 2020 widened by 67% to 14.4 billion shillings. In the period, total revenues dipped by 48% to 30.2 billion shillings, in line with the fall in passenger numbers. Operating costs declined by 37% to 38.6 billion shillings, majorly driven by the reduced operations for the year. Kilavuka says operating expenses are expected to spike as the carrier implement various expensive measures to comply with the new health protocols issued by the government in July as part of the flight resumption measures. KQ plans to resume United States route in October and currently flies to Europe, Asia and more than 20 routes in its key markets of Africa.